So this month is actually our slowest month of the year. I don't know if you guys remember me saying that, but I've said it a couple times last month. We were able to win 61% of our trades. So still great work on the percentage wise. Above 50% is always good. 11 for 18 on our trades. Really good work there, guys. Our problem was our biggest loss was bigger than our biggest win. So that'll definitely drag your month down. But either way, I honestly am very, very happy and proud of ourselves for making money in this month because the Dow was crashing. September is historically the worst month in the market of the year, and it's usually the slower month. It's usually when it's getting ready from that summertime to fall time movement, and people are finally getting back to school, getting back to work. So it's kind of a transition time, and it's usually a weird time in the market. And for us, it was another year of a weird time. But this year, I'd say we did really well because we're getting a lot better of not getting ourselves into trouble. So just making sure that if the setup isn't there or if it's a half-ass setup, just be patient and don't take it overnight. And that's something that took us a while. I mean, honestly, I have such a gambling mindset and a personality that I want to be something every day. I usually need to be into something every single day. But luckily, my patience, I still barely have patience, but some of my patience have relieved me from not buying something every single night. Just like a night like tonight, realizing the markets are ugly, there's not much out there, the odds are against you. So let's wait for the next morning. We'll have tons of opportunity, there'll be tons of plays. Let's just wait for the next morning. And that's exactly what we've been getting better with, and that's why I think we are profitable in September. Most of the big traders weren't profitable last month. And to tell you the truth, a lot of those millionaire traders from Tim's conference actually aren't even profitable on the year. So we're doing a really, really good job of what we got going on. We just got to get a little better with sizing up here. So that is the monthly stats there. 1,447, 61%, biggest win BMXI, biggest loss GWSO. My favorite stat about it is the fact that we actually made more than this month in a whole just today. So one day, that's why you always got to be prepared. You never know when something's going to heat up. Literally in one day, we were able to make almost $1,000 more than what we did all month last month. And that's the beauty of the stock market. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's not. But when it's hot, you want to take advantage of it. So if we compare it to last week, or we compare it to last month, I always like to do this comparison. Last month we had a better percent win ratio, and we also had more profit. We also had a lot more trades, so that kind of shows you it was a little busier. We had 25 trades and 18 wins. This one we dimmed it up. We only had 18 trades and 11 wins, so it's being a lot more patient in September. But patience pays, not on the upside, but also on that downside. So always want to be patient in this game. Here's our monthly stats just so you guys can see what kind of patterns we play. It tends to be the same kind of thing over and over. That first green day tends to be our favorite pattern every month. It's really the most pattern we go to. Then the multi-month breakout seems to be that next pattern. Then the other ones are ones that just we sporadically do. But this month we actually had no panic dip buys, no first red day shorts, no midday reversals. Just the $1,400 in profit from those two first green day and multi-month breakout plays. We mainly did OTC stocks, 9 out of 15, so 60%. We actually won more list percent-wise on the listed game, but we didn't trade as much on the listed game. So great month there, guys. And the fact that we were able to win while the market was crashing down, making new 52-week lows was great. And the fact that we did this without any hot sector. So there really wasn't any one thing that pushed any hot sector to be better or to keep growing. So great work, snipers, being able to profit 1,400 on our 16th straight profitable month. So let's keep that profitability month going. It seems like we are because we're actually already up $8,000 in the month of October. So great work. And this just shows you to always be prepared. Listen, we only made $1,400 last month, but we're swinging at the same exact patterns and what we know this month. So it's all about understanding when to be patient, understanding when maybe you should walk away from the screens on certain days, and then understanding when it's hot and making sure you strike and go for it when it does get hot. Because now we're up 8,000 on this month, and that's because we had the hot cannabis sector, and then we just had Mulin. So we had a lot of hot plays that we were able to take advantage of in already the month of October. We also have MMTLP, which is a stock that literally we made 1,200 on, and then it spiked 10 times more. We could have made 50,000 on it, but don't want to beat ourselves up over that. So great work in September, but even better work starting the new month of October. and maybe we'll make it our best month. Maybe we can make it our first 5-figure month, so $10,000. It'll be our first ever time we do that. We're at 8,200 right now, so we only need 1,800 more to make it a $10,000 month. It'll be our first time we ever did that in the whole Sniper's career. So pretty excited for that. We are almost there, and we'll be looking for next winners tomorrow to hopefully add to that.